It feels warm. You're walking under the sun. As you look around, you see vast acres of sand. From right to left, everywhere you look, sand. Sun is high in the sky, shining so brightly, making the sand glitter, look like golden dust. You know it's only a mirage, yet such a wondrous sight always makes you smile. Vast acres of gold-covered lands under your rule. With a subtle gesture of your shoulders, you shrug. You are confident in yourself. You are content, yet you know you would not hesitate to ask for more. You have a way to get what you want, always. You look up just for a moment, coming to a brief halt from your walk. Feel a bit tired, noticeable only by your heavy breathing. Take a deep breath. Take another deep breath. The walk has taken its toll. That long walk has taken its toll on your body. You feel your body is feeling heavier and heavier with each step you take. You look down on your aching arms and notice your skin also gleaming under the sun. Your gaze falls onto the dark markings, dots and lines painted in black. And you remember how every morning they are drawn onto your body. A natural mix made out of coal and sulfate. It's grinded until its texture is powdery, mixed with a bit of fresh water fetched from the very river Nile. And the mixture is drawn onto your skin to depict the flow of blood throughout your body. Take another deep breath. You reach out to touch these lines. As you run your finger down see the marking being smudged across your gleaming skin. You're aware that these markings are there as a part of your custom, that dictates and protect you from evil and harm. No harm can come to you. You are safe. You are untouchable. You are powerful. Your bloodlines go way back. A royal and pure bloodline that makes you so very special. You close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Then you remember you're lying on your bed. The mattress under you feels soft, made of wooden slates, plaited strings that hold woolen cushions that are extremely soft to touch. Your bed is covered with silk, softer still, molding into the shape of your back to offer you comfortable support. Take another deep breath in. You can smell the fresh herbs being mixed together. Your eyes are closed, and the soothing sound of herbs being grinded together with rhythmic motion. The fresh aroma that fills the air are all you can feel, smell, and hear. You can smell a new scent as you listen to the footsteps leading up to your bed, coming to a halt next to you. You hear the familiar sound of soft tapping of the ivory stick into the powdery mixture. After a small pause, feel a cool sensation on your right arm. Pointy ivory pen running down your arm, drawing out the markings slowly and softly. You like the touch of the cool substance on your skin. Feels good as it runs down your right arm towards your elbow. Every line is drawn, and then you hear a moment of dipping and tapping before the next line is drawn once again onto your skin. Lines accompanied by all the way down to your wrist. Feel a gentle hand hold your right hand. Turn it, your palm facing upward. The hand supports your arm so that you don't have to strain to hold it upright. The ivory pen moves towards your wrist, drawing what feels like waves of lines. This feels very good, and gives you warm sensations. A seed to your left side, and you know she will repeat the process until the markings match your right arm perfectly. They are always perfect. This is your left arm back to your side. You know now she would be applying the elaborate eye makeup that is day-to-day custom for both men and women. The loud barters of a busy market area pulls you away from your memory, brings you back to the current. Look around, realize you have been walking for a while. More and more you wish you were away from this busy street. It's midday, and you can feel the sun even higher in the sky, almost scorching your skin. You want to get away and relax. You need to rest. You earn to rest after a long day's work. Another battle fought, another battle won. Now you feel so weary. You feel like all the duties and responsibilities are bearing you down. You deserve to be treated like the emperor you are. You deserve to be pampered like the royalty you are. You are worth everything. You find yourself in front of a giant structure. You notice the structure's face and recognize it to be yours. Finally, you are home. Your eyes fall onto the magnificent pyramid. You pause for a moment to take in the details of this giant structure. Every brick laid with respect towards your name. Every stone a representation of your worth. You smile with realization that this is where you will rest. This is where you will be safe. This is where you will be treated with utter care and looked after, feeling very special, being pampered to the fullest. As you step into your home, the cool cobblestones under your feet is a welcoming sensation after hours of walk on the warm sands of the deserts of your home. You do not travel on your own usually. Royalty seldom does. You smile, remembering being treated like another peasant in the busy streets of your country. You enjoy the freedom and escape that these walks offer you. You welcome the time you spend without having to worry about anything but your own private thoughts. You enjoy contemplation and meditation away from your palace under responsibilities of your crown.